In this video, I'll show you how to add JavaScript on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways to add JavaScript on Squarespace. The first way is to go to website, go to pages, and at the bottom of the page on the left sidebar, you're going to click on custom code and you're going to click on code injection. The code injection feature is ideal for scripts that need to run on every page, such as analytics tracking, third-party integrations, or general site enhancements. And for the header, this is for scripts that must run before the page renders, and it's often for third-party libraries or specific integrations. And in the footer, you're going to include scripts that are recommended for better performance. And before you write your JavaScript code, you're going to ensure that it's in the script tag. You're going to have an opening tag and a closing tag, and you're going to put your JavaScript code here. This is going to apply same thing for here also. And then once you're done, you're going to save. Please note that this comes only with upgraded accounts. Now, the other way to do it is to go back to your pages. If you want to uniquely manipulate the functionality of a code on a particular page, what you can do is you can go to the page where you want to manipulate the DOM, and you're going to click on edit here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to choose the section that we want to add the JavaScript code to, and we're going to add block. Here we're going to add code, and once we add code, we're going to come down here and you're going to click on this pencil here, and here you're going to change the mode to JavaScript, and here you can add your JavaScript code, and also ensure that your JavaScript code is in the script tag, both opening and closing, and that way this code will only affect stuff on this particular page. And that's how you add JavaScript on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.